Today, we will explore how to transform a desert into a thick, dense forest using Adobe Photoshop's Neural Filter. Firstly, navigate to the Filter menu and choose Neural Filters. This section will open a Neural Filter panel. Within this panel, opt for Landscape Mixer. Now, select the forest landscape. This process takes some time to complete. Once done, it will automatically transform the desert landscape into a dense forest. To preserve this output, proceed to the Output drop-down and select New Layer and click OK. Let's compare the image before and after. Now let's enhance the image by adding sky elements to make it more dynamic. For this, go to the Edit menu and select Sky Replacement. This will open the Sky Replacement dialog box. Now, to choose the sky you prefer, click on the drop-down icon and select the appropriate sky. It will instantly show a preview of the sky after applying it to the image. If you are satisfied with the result, click on OK. Now let's compare the image for before and after. Perfect! Don't forget to write in the comments about today's video. This will help us to improve our content and deliver better results to you. And tell us what you want to see in the upcoming episodes. Till then, bye bye, take care.